The wise turtle. So once a fox used to be very proud of its wisdom. Often he boasted, I am the wisest of all animals. So one day he went in search of food. He could not find anything. He could not bear his hunger, so he was about to give up his search when he finally saw a turtle. And he was so happy that he sprang and caught hold of the turtle. And the fox began to break the shell of the turtle. But what a pity, however hard he tried, he could not break. The turtle piously told to the fox, why not you soak me in water? My shell will become soft and you can easily eat me. And on his words, in his hunger, the fox lost his thoughts and led the turtle into a nearby pond. The turtle happily slipped out of the hands of the fox and swam into the pond. And he came up at the center of the pond and said, hey fox, don't be too proud of your wisdom. Moral, there is always a better than a good. Thank you.